And guys, this is P5, so this is cream with chocolate. A little bit. I'm gonna mix it. I hope this will be so yummy. Last try. Actually, it's yummy. And the color is so nice. I need to go faster because this is the last part. Bye! Thanks for watching.